Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to swap two numbers in C programming language. In the last video we have seen the use of sizeof function, which is a predefined or compiler defined, you can say compiler defined function in C language. We have used sizeof function to find out the size of memory a variable is taking to store some value. So in the previous video we have seen that. So today in this video what I am going to show you the swapping. So what does this swapping means? Let us say we have two variables, one is a, one is b. In the variable a we have stored a value, let us say 2, and in the variable b we have stored a value, let us say 5. So swapping means we will store the value of b into the variable a, and we will store the value of a in the variable b. So what does this mean? Swapping means just interchanging the value of two variables into each other. Okay, so the value of a will come into the variable b, and same for b, the value of b which will go into the variable a. So this is called swapping, just interchanging the values of two variables with each other. Okay, so let us see how it can be done using C programming language. So what I do, I will simply open up my browser and I will go into the replit.com. If you are watching my videos for the first time, let me tell you, I use online IDE which is replit.com, which is very good. I used to code using this browser, using my Chrome browser, using this website, and with my mobile itself. So I can code in my mobile using this. So I will simply go into that, and I will go into my hello org folder. In this folder I am storing all the files, all the codes for you to serve you easily. Yeah, so as you can see, we have already made 6 videos out of this. So today I'm going to make another REPL for this video. So I have to choose here C template, and I will name it as 07 underscore, because this is going to be our 7th video, and swapping, SWAPPING. Let us name it as, oh my god, SW. Okay, so press enter. So as you can see, this is the default template. Here I will write our necessary code. So first of all, we have to declare two data type, and we have to store two values in some data, in some variable, and then we will do the necessary part for swapping. Let us say we want to store two double type variables, so that double is a data type which stores very long digit value, which is capable to store actually. So I'm going with the double itself here. So let us say num1 and num2. Num1 and num2 are two variables we will be using. So then we have to take user input. So that user input will store into the variables num1 and num2. So to do that, I will simply write printf here, enter the first number. So user will enter here the first input, and we will store this value inside the variable num1. So we have to use scanf ampersand d. Sorry, I have declared actually I should use ampersand if. or elif, because this is a double data type, and num1. So we will simply replicate this. So I will copy from here and let me paste it here as well. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, so here I have to change this into num2, and similarly this is going to be our second number. Fine. So after this particular time, let us check that if the program is working successfully or not. So here I have to enter the first number, let us say 12, and enter the second number, let us say 74, whatever, and hello world was already written here. I don't require this line, so I will simply remove this. So we have stored the user input up till now. So now we have to swap the value, means the user have given the second number which will come into the first variable num1, and the number was stored in the first variable num1 will go in the variable num2. So how we can achieve that? So to do that, we have to first declare a temporary variable. Okay, so here we will write again a temporary variable. Let me name it as temp. Okay, so let us say, oh, the double spelling is I think wrong, touble. Okay, so I will fix it. Okay, so now we have declared our variable which is temp. So what does this temporary variable do? So when we assign the value of num2 equal to num1, or let us say num1 equal to num2, the value was which was already stored in the variable num1 will just overwrite with the value num2. Okay, let me clear this once again. When we want to store the value of num2 in the variable num1, the value was already stored in the variable num1 will simply overwrite with the value of num2. Okay, so we lost the value of num1. So then what we can do, we have to first store the value of num1 in the temporary variable. Okay, that's why we have declared another variable which is temp. So first what we do, temp equal to num1. Okay, so the value of num1 will come inside the variable temp. Okay, for the latter use, then we will change the value of num1 with the value of num2. Okay, I hope you understand. Now the temporary variable is storing the value of num1, and later the num1 is replacing with the variable num2. Fine. Then again what we have to do, we have to update the variable num2 with the value of num1 which was stored in the variable temp. So we will do that as well. So now we are done. This is the basic structure of swapping. Okay, this is the basic thing of swapping two numbers in this case. Okay, so we have to first store the anyone you can store in the variable temporary variable num temp, and then we have to do the replacement. Okay, then we will print the values simply. So we write printf. So here we have to write, after swapping, the value of first number is what is going to be our first number and %lf, and the second number which is going to be our %lf. So what are these %lf? First %lf will be our num1, and the latter one will be our num2. So this is the scenario. So let us run the program and let us see if it is working successfully or not. So enter the first number, let us say 12, and enter the second number, let us say 56, and press enter. So after swapping the value of first number which is 56 and the second number is 12, so as you can see the first number is now in the second number, right? The first number was 12, now the second number is 12, and second number was 56, now the first number is 56, as you can see on the screen. So I can do one thing to remove this 0 0 0 0 0. Here I have to write 0.2lf, and here also I will write 0.2lf. So it will take only 2 digits after the decimal point. So now let us run this program. 14 and 74, let us say, yeah, it is working. So after swapping, the value of first number is 74 and the second number is 14. So as you can see, this is how it can be done. So to for a better clarification, before swapping we want to print the value also. So here we have to write before swapping, okay, the value of first number is ampersand 0.2lf, let us say, and the value of second number, which is our ampersand lf. And what's that? First number is num1, first one is num1, and second one is num2 here as well. So let us run this program. Finally we are done. So let us say first number is 14.36 and second number is 73.2, and let us see. So as you can see, before swapping, the value of first number is 14.36 as you have written earlier, and the value of second number is this. So after swapping, the value of first number, these are just interchanged. So here to give the beauty, what we do, here we have to write this 0.2, and here as well we have to write a \n, and here also we have to write a \n, n, and again here we will write one \n, so that it will come in a new line. Here we have to write a \n. Now it should work properly. So enter the first number 10.36 and enter the second number, let us say 98.23. okay, so before swapping, as you can see, before swapping the value of first number is this and second number is this, as the user has given, and after swapping the values are just interchanged. So this is how it can be done. Well, so that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep exploring, keep watching, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Thank you.